Repetition, emotion, and time change everything. You're so easily conditioned. You're the most easily conditioned animal form of life on earth, and I'll prove it. Plop, plop. And the product? Interesting. I can't believe I ate. Again, Alka-Seltzer, right? Young fella, Alka-Seltzer is this product we used to have back in the 70s, along with disco. Now it's Costco. Back then we had long hair, now we're longing for hair. The government even got in on the act. Repeat after me. I pledge allegiance How do you know that? Give yourselves a hand, by the way. Woo! Wow. How do you know that? Repetition, emotion, and time. I know. Every day. Repetition, emotion, and time. Your favorite song, you know all the lyrics. Why? Repetition, emotion, and time. 2 times 2 is? 3 times 3 is? 5 times 5 is? We even know 12 times 12. How many of you learned at your multiplication table with flashcards at the kitchen table? Yeah. No one knows 13 times 13. The cards didn't go that high. It's a mystery. Isn't that amazing? Math, the Pledge of Allegiance, your favorite song, it's all about repetition, emotion, and time. So I got to thinking, what if you could make your own ad campaign? What if you could write your own ad? What if you could program your subconscious for the success that you want? You see, what Moad taught me was, if you work on goals, then goals work on you. If you bombard your subconscious with a single goal over and over and over again, your life will change. I went from a 1.8 to a 3.8 with my grades in 1 quarter, my sophomore year of high school. I went from scrub to star on the basketball team in 3 weeks. He taught me how to set goals and visualize, and it completely changed my life. And it can change yours. And before I'm done tonight, you'll have the tools to do that. It's amazing. It's so simple. Repetition, emotion, and time. But you're so easily conditioned, I'm going to prove it to you, because there may be some unbelievers here, so I'm going to convert you here in just a minute. We're going to say the word pots 5 times out loud. There's safety in numbers, so here we go. Pots 5 times. Pots, 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 pots. One more time with passion and volume. Pots, 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 pots. What do you do when you come to a green light? Now I know why the traffic's so bad in Wichita. Y'all are stopping at green lights. Oh, what the heck is going on? How did I hook you like that? Are we that easily conditioned? You betcha. Now, if that's true, what if you could condition yourself? And that question changed my life. What if I could condition myself? Look, quick bio, okay? Went to college on a basketball scholarship. Yeah. Had a full ride offer from Oklahoma Baptist University, the number 1 team in the country in NAIA. I turned it down because I didn't know where Oklahoma was. Seriously. And I had a girlfriend, so 2 really bad reasons to not take a full scholarship. So I went to a junior college, 5 miles from my house. As a 17-year-old freshman, I averaged 12 points a game, and I got a 3.8 in college. Actually, in high school, I had a 3.0 blood alcohol level. But I changed that later. I got to speak at the college 40 years later, and I did the 3.0 joke, and the president didn't think it was funny. And I go, that's just a bit, okay? I'm just joking. I said, I really got a 3.8. I made the dean's list. I really did. And after a year of college, I joined the Air Force. I left. Because what happened was, people my age, in the mid to late 70s, people were graduating from college and they couldn't find a job. And I thought, I got to learn a skill. So I called my uncle, who was an industrial arts teacher in Ohio, and he said, number 1 skill. said, refrigeration, air conditioning, that's the thing of the future. If you ever saw The Graduate, plastics, right? Remember that? Plastics. Well, my uncle said refrigeration, so that's what I did. I joined the Air Force. Became a refrigeration, air conditioning guy. And I'll be darned if I didn't learn a trade, a skill. And then the entrepreneur in me, because I've worked since I was 12. I had a window washing business, I had a chimney cleaning business. I was always a hardworking guy. I was selling more service agreements and projects than the guy they hired full time. How many of you are in sales? Yeah. If you're a guy and you didn't raise your hand, think again. Are you married? That's one sale. Yeah. Yeah, we're all in sales. The only question is how good are you?